everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felisa, your host for today's video. This video is long overdue. It's been set up for a couple of weeks. I'm just getting around to filming it. So I have quite a few different things going on in the space. The furniture is the same. It's the accent pieces that's a tad bit different. Let's get started with the coffee table itself. So the coffee table is actually a TOV piece, and you can get your hands on it from TOV.com, or you can get your hands on it from Wayfair, or you can get your hands on it from Amazon. If you take a look at the bottom, not the bottom, the middle, there's some gold details right under the platform of the coffee table, which is a detail that I love. Now, this coffee table is a low profile coffee table. That means it sits a little low than the typical coffee table, which is fine with me because all this furniture in this space, believe it or not, is low profile, so it's working out fine together. The vases that's on the coffee table is from Zgallerie. Anything in this space from Zgallerie, I'll place a coupon code down below. If it's still active, you'll have a code down below for an additional discount. Even if the items are on sale or clearance, you still can use that discount. The actual florals here are from Hobby Lobby. Now, you can get these in two different places in Hobby Lobby. You can go to the floral section, or you can go way in the back to the dried floral section. If you get them in the floral section, you're going to pay for each one individual. But if you go back to the dried floral section, you can get 3 in a set for like $8 or $9, which is a better bargain. So going back to my sofa is also a TOV piece. I'll place a link down below to that. Pillows. I'm a pillow freak. I love me some pillows. The pillow here is called a brushstroke pillow. That pillow is from Zgallerie. I'll have a link and a coupon code down below for that one. This pillow here was a gift from a friend of mine, but it's an On Cloud 9 pillow. This pillow here is another Zgallerie pillow. I'll place a link down below and a coupon code for that. So that sums up my couch and everything that's on the couch. Then I have a little accent tray here, which is from Home Goods. Then I have a candle here, Home Goods. And this super cute item right here is so pretty. I love it. It's from Zgallerie, and I think I already run the battery out of it already. Oh, no, the battery's working. It lights up. That's probably the closest that I'm going to be getting to Chanel. I love Chanel, but I'm not paying $8,000 for a bag. That's the closest I'm going to get to Chanel. Check it out. Very pretty. Okay, so that sums up my couch. My wall art, I think that wall art is either from Burlington. Oh, that wall art is from Ross. I remember getting that this year. I was lucky. I paid about $30 for that wall art. And if you take a look at that wall art and those pillows, yes, I'm a matchy-matchy type. I know a lot of people say matchy-matchy is not in. Hey, it's not about what's in. It's not about what's trendy. It's all about what you like and what you feel comfortable with in your home. So let's go with what you feel comfortable with in your home. Let's leave those trends alone, everyone. So check out these super cute wall sconces. Those are from Amazon. You charge them via USB, and if you use them a lot, you'll find yourself charging them maybe once a week. But if you don't use them a lot, you'll be charging them like every other week or so. So then I have these wall slates on the wall. Those are from Ozark. Those were gifted to me from a company over on Instagram. I love those. I like the fact that I have them screwed in the wall. Those of you who've been following me for several years know that I like to change up. One day I'll come on here and y'all may see those wall plaques gone. Oh, Lord, I'm crazy. I will take those wall slats down in a minute and it'll be back to a white wall. So, but anyway, I'm feeling it. I love it. I love that I can take it down anytime I'm ready with a drill or a screwdriver. Take them down, and I can actually move them to another room if I wanted to. So the gold lamps, super, super cute. So glam. I love them. They're from Zgallerie as well. I'll have a coupon code down for those. So that sums up everything in the back wall. All my drapes are from Amazon. However, I do have a company that sent me some beautiful cream beige drapes that I'm going to be placing in here. They're so gorgeous, and I'll come back in another video to show y'all how those look. I'm hoping it'll brighten up the space a little bit, but I know it'll give it a different vibe. You know, it's probably going to be more elegant with the cream because it's going to be the same color as the couch. And then I also think those cream drapes will also bring out this black chair. So you're going to black chair. These chairs are from Wayfair. Now, they're very affordable. They're like $250 a chair. You can get them in a set or you can buy them singly. When I purchased mine, I purchased them in a set. Now, these chairs are actually low profile chairs. So what that means is they sit low. Now, what I've done is I've added some little acrylic legs. Maybe, I think I added maybe 1.5 or 2 inch, a little bit more on the chair because I didn't want it sitting so low. And if you notice, I did the same thing to the sofa. Those acrylic legs are from Amazon. These are also from Amazon. This little piece that you see in the middle of these walls is actually from Ross. And these lanterns, super cute. I love them. Those are from At Home, as well as the candles. And then we have some end tables that actually go with the coffee table here. Then I have some homary end tables on the side of the couch. I love them. Look at the actual what is this? Marble in here. And they're a variation. And then we have a different type of marble over here, which I'm fine with because both of them have their own little personality in each corner. And so that sums up the back and the side. These pillows are one of those Zgallerie exclusive pillows. They come in multiple colors. I have the link down below to that. And then if I go over here to this mirror is from At Home. If it's still available, I'll link that. And these tiara vases, no longer sold, but those are from Zgallerie. I have some little flower picks here. I think you probably can still get your hands on these at Zgallerie. I'll place a link down below to those. And this super cute floor vase here is actually from Wayfair, and it's very affordable. I think that vase, I think it's like 4 feet tall or so, and I paid about $100 for that vase. But if you were to go anywhere, even on Zgallerie for a vase like this, or even on it actually came from Wayfair. Even, you know, some of these high luxury stores, high-end stores, you're going to pay $299, $300 for such a beautiful tall vase. Very cute. Same chair here. My area rug is also from Wayfair. And I also have some runners to go with that area rug. Let me explain my runners to you. These are 6-foot runners, and I have 2 here because I wanted my runner to go all the way to one end to the other, but it didn't come that length. So I have 2 runners here. I'm not sure. I know that's rigged up, but I like it. I always say, do what you like. If you're okay with it, just do it. Just do it. So let's talk about the Entryway. So the Entryway table is from Wayfair. Now, this is another affordable piece. So that means it doesn't cost $1,000 and so dollars. This piece was like 200 and something bucks. What I like about it is that it's affordable and it's so beautiful. It looks high end, it looks luxurious, and it's perfect in its space. The only thing I want to tell you, if you order this, you're going to have to take your time putting it together. And you can't put like wet stuff on top because this is not solid wood. But it gets the job done in my Entryway. It looks high end and it's super, super cute. And you can slide it open, but I'm not going to slide mine open because I'm using it for extra decor. And I have it overcrowded with like reindeer and stuff like that from Christmas time that I didn't want to put out in my shed. So yes, this is a lamp and I use it as a vase sometimes. It's from actually Home Goods. Then I have some little candles here. That these candle holders are actually from At Home. Candles are from Pier 1. As we know, Pier 1 closed down. You only can get their items from online. The actual wall art is from At Home. You probably can still get your hands on it. If it's available, I'll place down the link. I'll place a link down below. And then these super cute flowers here, actually from Zgallerie as well. I don't think you can get your hands on those. And then I love this vase. Check out this beautiful vase. It's so unique, so beautiful. To me, it looks like something from outer space. You know, and so it looking like something from outer space, you know, that's unique. I love it. It's not that heavy. It's kind of hollow. So what I do is whenever I use this vase, I'm going to make sure that it's up against the wall, you know, just in case somebody bumps into it, that it'll be, you know, safe and secure on the wall here. And then I just stuck some styrofoam in there. See that styrofoam? And I just stuck these plants in that styrofoam to give them, you know, a safe place to stay there. So I think that I've talked about this space the quickest that I've ever talked about this space. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. And I have been so busy. I know I've been busy and I've been missing the action because I've been updating my backyard. So I'm going to come back in another video and show y'all the outdoor space. But I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.